Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way, with the secret code. We have to open the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. Right here, we have to, in this general list, we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find the system and tap on About Phone at the top. And now let's try to localize the IMEI number. It should be in the status, so let's tap on it and tap on the IMEI information. And as you can see here, we've got the IMEI info, so both in IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.